Alright, well, this is what we got for lunch and dinner here. We got 2 bags of sweet and smoky flavored beans, cilantro and lime rice, so West style, some kind of rice. These are the ones that I was saying that that Marco fellow was asking about. I've never saw them before. They were at the basic foods. A little bit of vegetable oil, got some tin foil in here, and a freezer bag. So I'll just mix all that stuff. Oh, and a can of flaked chicken. There, can of flaked chicken. Yeah, mix all that together in the freezer bag. Stick them in the burrito. Wrap them up. Put them in tin foil with the oil on the grill in the fire. And hope for the best. Hope they don't burn. Well, hopefully that can see what's going on here. Got all the beans, the rice, the chicken all mixed up. Should be able to go through that today, maybe tomorrow, but I do got ice in my backpack over there. Well, maybe it's just cold water now. It'll keep it fine for later. I got a bit of tin foil in with my book that I still haven't finished reading. Give this a whirl here. Foil, don't rip tin foil. Nice. Alright. So we got olive oil. Uh-oh. That's not supposed to happen. That dollar store quality. There, fixed. Around little bits. I don't get a rag. I get a towel. Good enough. There. Let's get one of these big boys here. There, look, eat that. My, whatever this brand is here, Fitness City. Fitting all this shite in my burrito. Oh, there's corn in there. Nice. I always seem to pack way too much stuff into these, but hopefully it's alright, because this is a massive burrito. Or tortilla, or whatever you want to. Yeah, burrito tortilla, I guess. It's Mexicano, M-E-J-I. One more, why not, eh? No. So, seal that up. Keep them damn chipmunks out of it. Them little bastards are into everything. A little bit of breakfast beer. Let's see, I get this one that way. This one. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Is that what a burrito is supposed to resemble? I'm not sure. Oh well. There. Let's get this oil off me. And my rag's over there with all my stuff on it there. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna go dump this in the fire. I'll get you in a second. There. I need extra hands for all this. Or one of them head mount things, I guess, put you on. There, look at that. Just put them off to the side. I don't want to burn the bejesus out of it. And yeah, I'll let that do its thing. Keep an eye on her. And whenever it's ready, I'll bring it back and show you. Oh, I think she's getting there. She's getting there. Oh, that's warm. Ow! Yeah, I'm gonna flip it over, let it go a little bit longer. Got one of my oven mitts here. Just a little longer on the other side. And we should be good. Oh, let's see what this burrito contraption looks like here. Nice thing with titanium, it cools down pretty quick, so I can use it for a little table, because you're sitting on my good table. That's alright. I'll make it. Look at that. A little crispy on the bottom, which is fine. It's not burnt or anything. And keep that foil for next time. It's still good. It's still good. It's just a little burnt. Put this away before it blows away. Messy. I got my dish rag. Beer number 2 for the day. I don't even think it's noon yet. Whatever. Got nowhere to be. Let's see what this sounds like here. Ooh, I like that. Oh. That is good. Just a little crispy. Nice. So, I've tried making these before, maybe 2 weeks ago. 3 weekends now. I was out with a girlfriend, and then we took the car and the canoe and everything. No camera for that one. Unless you're on my OnlyFans account. I don't have that. But we only had 6-inch tortillas instead of these massive things. And they seem to be real soggy. They just fall apart, where this thing, it crispied up good. That's a good tortilla right there. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this and have some beer, and I don't know, enjoy doing nothing. Beats being at work.